Say this in English. I am tired. أنا تعبان. Good. Now same sentence, same person but change the time. I was tired. Listen carefully. We don't change I. We only change the time. We add one word, kunt, which means I was. أنا كنت تعبان. I was tired. Look again. أنا تعبان. Now. كنت تعبان. Past. Nothing else change it. Let's practice. كنت أنا كنت مشغول. I was busy. I am ready. كنت جاهز. I am happy. كنت سعيد. So always كنت تعبان. I am nervous. كنت معصب. I am fine. كنت تمام. كنت sick مريض. I am hungry. كنت جوعان. Now your turn. Try to say the rest of the examples. You can do it. Let's change the person. He is tired. هو تعبان. Now the past. He was tired. When you are talking about he in the past, use can. كان تعبان. Always remember, for I use كنت, I was. And for he, use can, he was. And now let's practice. كان, he is angry. كان معصب. Angry معصب. He was. كان ذكي. ذكي smart. He is fast. كان سريع. tall طويل. كان طويل. He is strong. قوي. كان قوي. It's very simple. كان he was. كنت I was. And now one more. هي she is happy. هي سعيدة. To make it past, we use كانت. كانت means she was. كانت سعيدة. Very simple. كان he كنت I وكانت she. She is hungry. كانت جوعانة. She is busy. كانت مشغولة. Let me explain something very simple. In Arabic, we have masculine and feminine. For feminine words, we usually add a ta sound at the end, like مبسوطة. This a sound at the end is written as ta مربوطة. Think of it like this: no a masculine with a ta مربوطة feminine. But not every word follows this rule. Most of them do, but not all. She is ready. كانت جاهزة. Happy سعيدة. كانت سعيدة. She is tired. كانت تعبانة. late متأخرة. كانت متأخرة. كانت هادية. كانت معصبة. كانت تمام. كانت مريضة. Keep in mind, we don't change the sentence. We change can, كنت, كانت, depending on the person. Sorry about my handwriting. Even I struggle to read it sometimes. Don't worry, focus on the Arabic, not my writing.